Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign an e-signature in a PDF document, ensuring your digital documents are securely and efficiently completed. First, open your PDF in a compatible reader like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar program. Look for a Fill and Sign or Sign option, typically found in the toolbar on the right or at the top. This feature provides the necessary tools for adding your digital mark to the document. Choosing the right tool is the first step toward signing your PDF with ease. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a popular and reliable choice, offering straightforward steps for adding signatures. Many operating systems also include basic PDF editors with signing functions. For instance, Preview on Mac or Microsoft Edge on Windows often have these features. Always ensure your chosen tool protects your document's integrity and your personal data. Once you have your tool ready, you need to create your signature itself. Most programs offer 3 common methods. You can simply type your name, and the software will convert it into a stylish, signature-like font. Alternatively, you can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, which can feel more authentic. Some prefer to upload an image of their actual handwritten signature, giving a consistent look. With your signature created, it is time to place it onto the document. Your newly made signature will typically appear as a floating image or a selectable element. Simply click and drag this element to the exact spot where you need your signature to be. You can easily adjust its size by dragging the corners, making it larger or smaller to fit the signature line perfectly. Ensure it aligns neatly for a professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.